In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Bumble app on Android. Let's start right on your Android phone. Look for the Google Play Store. This is the official place to safely download apps. Open it up, and at the top of the screen, you'll see a search bar. Tap that bar to bring up the keyboard so you can type in what you're looking for. Type Bumble, and wait a moment for results to load. You'll see several options, so it's important to pick the official one. Select the listing titled Bumble Dating App Meet and Date by Bumble Holding Limited. Checking the developer name helps you make sure you're installing the real app and not an imitation. Once you've selected the correct listing, tap the install button. Your phone will begin downloading the app and then automatically install it. This might take a little time depending on your internet speed, so a stable connection can help everything move faster. If you're on mobile data, be aware that downloading apps can use data, so Wi-Fi may be a better choice when available. When the installation is finished, the install button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch Bumble right away. From here, you can either sign in if you already have an account or create a new one if you're just getting started. Take your time with the prompts, so your account is set up the way you like it. If you prefer, you can also find the Bumble icon on your home screen or in your app drawer and open it from there anytime. Now that Bumble is installed, here's what you can do with it. You can create a dating profile by adding photos and a short bio that reflects who you are. Bumble helps you match with people nearby, and you'll see recommendations based on your preferences. After you match, you'll be able to exchange messages within the app, keeping everything in one place. Bumble also offers different modes to fit what you're looking for. There's Bumble Date for dating, Bumble BFF or Bumble for friends for finding friends, and availability can vary by region. You can switch between these modes inside the app so you can focus on the connections that matter to you. Don't forget to explore your profile preferences and filters. These let you tailor things like age range and distance, which can make your matches feel more relevant. Adjusting these settings is an easy way to improve your experience. And that's it. Open the Google Play Store, search for Bumble, choose the official app by Bumble Holding Limited, tap Install, then Open, and sign in or create your account. You're ready to get started.